Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, I will show you how to create the invoice and quotation in our system. So just have a look. So I have searched one customer, that is Janvi Jadhav, and I want to create the quotation. So if I go to the quotation, here I have created one quotation for the grocery purchased. So you can edit this information and you can enter the details as per your requirement. And you can enter the here. So instead of 2000, I can make it 3000. Here you can add any other list of purchase as per your requirement. So once I save this, I will go to the preview quotation. Here you can see the quotation details, everything is coming, and you can simply click on the email address. You can click to send through email, or you can just click to this PDF. So if I click here, the PDF form will open. You can take the printout or save as a PDF as well. Then you can create the invoice, you can download to Excel also. And if I want to create the invoice for the same, you just need to select the invoice and need to save here invoice name. For example, let's say grocery purchased invoice. So just save this and just you can preview this. You can preview without GST and with GST. So all the details you can see here, and you can send the email also. So if I click to email, the email will send automatically to the member. Here you can see email is sent. So this type we can easily create the quotation and invoice in our system. All this is automated. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.